Chapter 7. Leave no streak behind, the color trail of your specimen. So what is a streak? So sometimes a streak can be like the defining characteristic that helps you identify a rock. But essentially what we're doing is we're taking our specimen, mineral or rock, and which rocks are just a collection of minerals that co-occur together. That's the only difference. We didn't need a chapter about it. Mineral, one thing. Rocks, multiple things. Can be too small to see with the naked eye, but still a mixture. So anyways, that's why like geologic context matters, but we'll get into that. So, streak. What color your specimen makes when rubbed on an unglazed tile. And you can use any unglazed tile, like this is an unglazed like decorative tile, but like any tile will do as long as it's unglazed. Heck, I've done this on the bottom of bowls, plates, ramekins. Any unglazed ceramic surface is your buddy. The actual physical book is here, by the way. It's so exciting. See right here, chapter 7. So exciting. So these are the things you're going to gather together for a streak test. You are going to gather together your unglazed piece of ceramic, bottom of a ramekin, bottom of a bowl, bottom of a plate, back of a decorative tile, back of a plain tile. As long as it's unglazed ceramic, white is preferred so that you can see the true color. But really, like, look, this was stuck to somebody's wall one time, so like you can totally do this with any unglazed ceramic. You also need good light. Sunny days help too, because then you can take it outside and take a look at the color in the sun. A way to clean your ceramic plate in between specimens, so like there's a cloth, and your handy dandy specimen worksheet that you can download or buy from the website. If you've bought the ebook or the physical book, this comes for free. Otherwise, you can get the downloadable on my website. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take a look at the back of our tile to make sure there's no other colorful streaks there. I didn't bother taking off these sticky things because streaking, like using underneath what's here, there's going to be a residue, and I don't even want to use these spots. So I left them there to remind me not to use those spots. This is also a very big ceramic tile. Some people carry little 1x1, 2x2 ones. So I'm like going really big and overboard here so you can see it on the camera. This is me checking it over. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to take our specimen. Now, this is an azurite blueberry. If we were trying to identify it, we wouldn't know it was an azurite blueberry, but I'm telling you it is. And what we're going to do is we are going to streak it across the plate and see what color it is. Let's find out. More fun sounds. Look at that. Can you see it? It's blue. Who knew? Blue rock, blue streak. All right, well, we're gonna note that right here under streak. Blue rock, blue streak. This streak is the same color blue as the rock. That's very important to notice. Now, we're gonna get rid of that blue streak. See, I didn't even need the cloth. I was able to just brush it off. It's all clean now. Okay. So we write that down. That's how you do a streak test. Now, what color do you think this thing's streak's gonna be? First of all, it's hematite, but we don't know that because it's our specimen. Let's go streaking. What? What? It's red. Whoa, it's like brick red. Can you see that? So, gray rock, brick red. Now you see why streaks are so important. I'm going to do the unspeakable and see if this streaks. So this is bumblebee jasper. It is a travertine. It's not a true jasper, meaning it's part of the calcite family. And let's see if it streaks. I'm going to do the back side so that I can not have to redo this cab. Nope, no streak, but at the same time, no damage. So this is a perfect example of how this that's supposed to be soft, which it could be a mix of minerals. That's the thing is, this is a rock. It's not calcite. It's not pure travertine, but it is a calcium-based stone that is misnamed jasper. But anyways, see this guy wouldn't scratch. Here's our friend, the orange calcite. Let's try that one. No streak. So, but it did damage to calcite. So maybe a white or no streak is something remarkable to document. So you'll want to do that. So sometimes there's no streak because the mineral's too hard. Sometimes there's no streak because the streak is clear or white, and we don't see that on here. So some people have a black streak plate as well. I just want to let you know, like, don't freak if there's no streak. So what are we gonna do? Document it. Oh, before you go, don't leave yet. Don't leave yet. Okay, big important thing. So minerals and rocks that are harder than your porcelain are probably just going to damage your ceramic or your porcelain scratch surface. So you can try, but this is another reason why, like, used tile is great. But don't be surprised when you do not get a streak on minerals that will be harder than probably a 4 or 5-ish on the Mohs scale of hardness. And literally, that's it about streaking. We've gone streaking now. Do you think we're closer for it? Leave a message in the comments.